Big J? That's your name? Alright. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Nice. Oh, I like that box. Did you do it or who built it?
Will, Master Will.
Master Will?
Yeah, all this style, yeah.
Okay, so you're on Team Scar.
Yeah.
All right. Big J? That's your name? All right. Big J. That looks good. Do you know how big the box is?
Not off hands. I know it's tuned to 32 hertz, peaks at 34 hertz.
Okay.
And it's 6 CVX D1s, 4 SK4500 V2 strap at 0.33 per.
0.33 per, so 0.6 drop into
Yes.
0.3. Okay. Have you metered it? No wall.
Meter it. She does really a musical bill. She does 153.5 seals, 154.7 and port,
Wow.
all at like 32 hertz, 30 hertz.
Really? So right below Master Will,
Yeah.
right around his range.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Awesome. I like that amp rack. Looks good.
Thank you.
Are you planning? You letting it cool off?
No, it's fine.
Okay. What about your electrical?
Electrical 2 Beckman 320s,
Okay.
and 1 JY80 amp hour.
Okay. That's it.
Hey, watch the pod of hell accident.
What about in your doors?
PRV Neos 8s and 4 6.5 Neos Tapenos.
All right. Nice. I like this. From Metter, Georgia. Or where you?
I'm from Dublin, Georgia.
Dublin, Georgia. All right.
Rolling up a stogie. These niggas talking crazy, they can catch it like a goalie. These pussy ass.
Get some help?
They acting like they know me. Got a bad bitch in Toronto. She come down here when it's snowing. Chillin' up in Boca, chillin' with the locals. New exclusive J, they don't come out till October. And we don't do no bands, boy. We fuck them on the sofa. Now she chillin' with the drink.
Nice.
She really not a smoker. If another gang and we running shit.
Breaking everything, aren't you?
Yeah, man.
That's what being loud is.
You don't play 28 hertz.
20 hertz.
28.
Okay, 20. I was about to say, oh my gosh, no, don't do appreciate it, man.
No problem, man.
The amps don't like it at certain frequencies where you're going below 1 ohm, isn't it? And it causes them to protect.
Well, on high frequencies.
High frequencies.
Yeah.
Okay.
I ain't got the impedance rise to
Yes, sir.
make up for it.
I understand.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks for that demo, dude.
problem.
For a no wall, that's pretty good, man. 50s
Appreciate
plus on music. Thanks
Yeah.
for the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
No problem.
So it was Big J, but what was your real name?
Jansen Hightower.
Justin.
Jansen Hightower.
Jansen
There you
Hightower.
go.
All right. And what vehicle?
2008 Yukon Denali.
Yukon Denali. All right. Thank you for the demo, man.
No problem.
Is it good? Voltage was still doing pretty good.
Oh yeah, she stayed 14.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.